Hi everyone! Today we are making a soft and delicious carrot cake with a pastry cream that will make anyone want a slice at the first sight. Look at this soft, moist carrot cake with that delicious pastry cream. I really can't wait to take a slice. First, we beat 4 eggs until they become light and fluffy. In this step, you can use either an electric mixer or a hand whisk. Next, we add 1 cup of sugar and mix it well until fully combined. Now we pour in 1 cup of oil and mix it until fully incorporated. This will keep the carrot cake soft and moist, so make sure to mix it well with the eggs and sugar. At this stage, we combine 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Then we sieve the mixture into the cake batter to avoid lumps and ensure a light texture. We gradually add this dry mixture to the cake batter. It's fine to use a mixer, but make sure to mix on a low speed to keep the batter light and airy. Once you have added all the dry ingredients to the cake batter, it will have the thick, smooth consistency you can see in the video. Now we add 2 cups of grated carrots and half a cup of chopped walnuts and gently fold them into the batter using a spatula. Make sure the carrots are finely grated for a smooth texture, and the size of the walnuts can be adjusted based on your preference. You can line the cake pan with parchment paper or grease it with oil and then dust it with flour, topping out any excess flour. After that, pour the cake batter into the prepared pan. Next, preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Place the pan on the middle rack of the oven and bake for about 40 minutes until the cake is fully baked. Once you take the cake out of the oven, let it cool completely. A common question is, how do you know when the cake is done? The best way is to insert a wooden skewer into the center of the cake while it's still in the oven. If nothing sticks to the skewer, the cake is fully baked. Important tip: never open the oven door before 30 minutes, as this can cause the cake to sink. Now we are going to make the pastry cream, which goes perfectly with carrot cake. We beat 3 egg yolks and half a cup of sugar together using a hand whisk. Next, we add 1 tablespoon of flour and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to the egg yolk mixture. Then we add 2/3 cup of milk and whisk it well until fully combined. Now we transfer the mixture to the stove over medium heat and keep stirring constantly. Once it starts to warm up, we add 25 grams of butter to the mixture. An important tip for pastry cream is to keep stirring constantly until it reaches your desired consistency. In the final stage, I added 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder for a lovely aroma. The thickness of the cream is up to you, and as you can stirring, it gradually turns a creamy yellow color. As you can see in the video, my pastry cream is ready. Look at the smooth, creamy texture, perfectly thick yet silky and absolutely perfect for a carrot cake. Make sure your carrot cake is completely cool before adding the pastry cream. The cream itself should also be fully cooled, not hot or warm, so it keeps its texture and doesn't melt into the cake. Gently pour the cream over the cake and let it sit for about an hour to set, giving you the perfect smooth and delicious finish. The thickness of your pastry cream is up to you. You can even make it thicker if you like. To achieve a thicker consistency, simply cook it on the stove a little longer while stirring. Here's our delicious carrot cake with a pastry cream. Soft, moist, and absolutely irresistible. Enjoy a slice and fill yourself with positive energy. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more sweet recipe.